Hi everyone, this is the fourth and the last gITF v2 export video. So in this video I'll show you gITF I/O preferences. First up, we have export type, so we can choose export to all. So export all items with hierarchy, export selection, so it exports only selected items without hierarchy, and export selection with hierarchy. We can choose to save geometry, materials, and animation, or not to save weight maps, and to save skin meshes in world space. So this option has been added as a compatibility options for some WebGL previewers, specifically Babylon.js for this instance. We have to pre-apply transformation matrix of the mesh to all vertices during export. So we get correct skinned animation in Babylon.js and maybe others. So we can choose to apply or not apply transformation matrix of the mesh to the vertices. So we translate and rotate them in world space basically. We can choose to save tangent basis maps. This is next up is another compatibility option. Basically, this chooses a data type for indices array. So we can choose between unsigned integer and unsigned short. Two different previewers use different data types, or else that they won't display any geometry basically. So unsigned integer is for Babylon.js, and unsigned short is for WebGL PBR. If we export with unsigned integer, WebGL PBR previewer won't display any geometry. Next up, animation sample rate. So we can choose, just like in FBX.io, we can choose how many samples we get to get better interpolation results. Currently we only support interpolation linear for all of our animation samples. Next up, export actions. So as I said in the previous video, we can choose to not export actions, to export all actions into separate animation layers, and export only current action. When we choose not to export action, we will only sample from the we will only sample current keyframes in the timeline, in our timeline MODO. If you choose all actions, separate animation layers, we will sample each timeline for each action, and create gITF animation layers for each. And if we use current action, it will only export current action and create a animation layer for it in gITF.